How to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can recover your Facebook password without email or phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to recover your Facebook password without email or phone number, all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application here. And let's say you don't have either your phone number or your email or maybe your password, right? What do? Well, it is always easier if you had your phone number or email. So if you lost access to your phone number, you can try to recover your phone number by simply contacting your SIM card support team, which means depending upon which network you use, and you can actually renew with that same number if you had actually owned that number before. The other is, if you lost your email, just try to recover that email address before we get to further processes, because I assure you that this process is much more difficult than actually recovering your email address. You can just try to recover. If you lost access to Gmail, just try to regain access to that email if that account was linked with your Facebook account. If finally nothing works for you, then we're going to do the further steps over here. So first we're going to select forgotten password, of course, as usual. And once you select forgotten password, we can simply search for our phone number, or you can also search by email address. So first thing is that we have to find our account. So you can find your account if your phone number is linked. So I'll go ahead and then simply enter my phone number over here. Once I enter my phone number here, I can just tap on find account. It will search if there is a specific account. Now in this case, this account was saved with my phone, that's why it is saying continue. But in case you don't have email and password, you just tap the continue option. It will ask you to reset your password over here, right? You can see we can log in automatically, but we don't want that. Basically what we want to do is we want to actually recover it. So if you don't have access to this, it will ask you to simply verify with all the details. So let me go ahead and clear the storage again over here. Then I'm just going to come back, open it up again. Once I've done that, it will just ask you to follow some other instructions. Make sure you follow them and your Facebook account will get verified depending upon whatever Meta asks you to do. This way you can recover Facebook password and email without phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.